What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rick Merckx. So today is a special day. We're already on the road. Got the Polaris behind me, and she's going somewhere else besides my house. It's the last day with the Polaris. So new unit day. I'm excited. I'm kind of excited. It's 7:30 in the morning. We're like 2 hours out from the place where we're going to get a new unit from, and it's been a long time coming. We're getting a new unit. It's too much. I gotta have something new, so I can start making y'all some videos, get some stuff going. But we're on the way. It's 7:30 in the morning. I'm tired. I got up super early to come do this, but I'm excited. New unit. We already got a bunch of new parts for the new unit from Super ATV and RJWC, and a couple more coming in. I don't even have the unit, and we've already got parts for it. So, yeah. Anyway, we're headed down to South Alabama, and we're going to trade the Polaris in, get a new unit. Pause the video right now. Pause the video right now, and guess what I'm going to get? Drop it in the comments. Because I guarantee none of y'all are going to get what I'm going to get. I mean, you may think. You're not going to guess it. So, anyway, we're on the road. Pick y'all up in just a minute when we get there. Well, another hour and a half, so, but it'll be a minute for y'all. But yeah, so anyway, what is that? What is that? Seriously, what is that? Jeez. Okay, so actually it's right there behind me, and when I rode by it, it said Marshmaster. So I'm assuming that's one of them things that rides out in swamps and like cuts trees or clears swamps or something like that. Very cool. Hey, if you see this video and you're around Alabama, invite me, because I want to do that. That seems cool. It seems really cool. I mean, it's like a tank with a boat deck on it. That'd be really cool to ride out the swamp. Hey, my guy, Woodson Company, invite me, bro. I want to come ride in the marsh. I don't care. I'll work for like 10 minutes and make a video of it. But, you know, I want to see that. That looks really cool. So, anyway, headed down to Holland Motorsports to get a new unit. All right, guys, so we're here. Polaris is here. Let's go do this thing. Got a whole bunch. Look at this thing. This thing is sweet. Don't really like the 700 too much because it's a single cylinder, but they got this thing set up sweet. I like that. Got a couple motorcycles and trikes and all kinds of stuff. I really need one of these for a gas saver, but you know, all in due time. I mean, seriously, look at this. This thing is, I really like this rad kit. It's really cool. Trash Moto Havocs. Very interesting unit here. Maybe I should have got one of these. I don't know. I don't think I want a 700, but got some nice wheels on it. Got somebody else a unit ready. So got all kind of Sea-Doos and another 700 over here. Camouflage for the hunters. So got all your Can-Am stuff over here on the wall. Got parts over there, parts up there, stuff over there, just whatever you need. All right, guys, so here's the new unit. Got the DPS 850 Outlander, and she is a beauty. We just took it for a test drive. Thing has got some crazy turning on it. Oh man, she is nice. I cannot wait to put everything on there. 2023 headlights, bro. Oh my gosh. Looks so good. I mean, look at that. The Polaris is pretty beefy next to it, but this thing, it was on work mode when I took it for a drive, and then I turned it on sport mode and that thing took off. It kind of surprised me a little bit, but you can't really, it looks blue on screen, but that's like a really like a metal gray, and I love that color. Just so nice. Oh my gosh, this thing is so different. I mean, it's snappy. Good Lord. Yes, sir. He got on my... Hold on, I'll tell y'all about that in a minute. Let me get back over here and park. This is... Oh, this is nice. So nice. So, I guess we're going to go in here. We'll get the paperwork signed and take her home. All right, guys. She's loaded up on the trailer. Headed home. Can't wait to get all the stuff on her. This thing looks sick. I love this color. Love the color, love the four-wheeler. And yeah, I appreciate Holland Motorsports, Dothan, Alabama, for working with me, getting me set up with this brand new schmexy unit. And then Polaris looking sad over there. Look at it. Look at it. It looks good though. Polaris look good. It sounded good. I ain't never heard somebody else ride mine, but I like the way the Polaris sounded. New. Let's say bye to the Polaris, guys. He's taking her around back. Or no, he's pulling her up. Jeez. Alright guys, well the new unit's in on the trailer. Then there goes the Polaris. Say bye, Polaris. See you later. Hope your new owner enjoys you. I had a lot of fun times. I'm kind of sad. I'm kind of sad about the Polaris. That's my baby. I'm leaving my baby. Oh well, I got a new baby behind me. So let's head home and put some parts on this thing. Let's get her right. So just can't believe it. Sorry, I can't believe it. Finally got a new unit. So surreal. It's just like I cannot wait to get everything done to it so that y'all can see how awesome it's gonna look when I get everything on it. It's just gonna be so cool. Oh, I cannot wait to get home, and it'll probably be a week or so. But ready to get home. Drove around the parking lot. It is snappy. I mean, I realize it's got 26-inch tires on it, but still, it's the throttle response in sport mode is insane. It's just so I cannot wait. I'm so excited. So excited.
3 hours later.
This is some crap, y'all. It has literally not rained for 2 freaking weeks here, other than like a 5-minute shower. As soon as I get the new unit home, freaking pouring down rain, bro. Come on. Like full-on hurricane thunderstorm, and I don't even get to ride the new unit when I get home. That's some crap. That is some crap. Now I gotta get wet unloading this thing. I'm mad, bro. Very mad. Jeez.
3 days later.
All right, guys. So I'm on the 850. Got my helmet ready. We're about to go do a pull on the highway, which you should not do. Don't try this at home. I have a small yard, so trying to get the 10 hours break in on this thing is ridiculous, you know? So I'm gonna go do a pull down the road, see how fast the little 850 can go, you know what I'm saying? Helmets, safety first. Yeah, so I wonder how fast it'll go. But it's like 3:30 in the afternoon, and like school's getting out because it just started today, I think. No, it starts tomorrow. Right, so there's no buses on the road, right? So I don't live in a really populated highway, but like there's still a lot of people on this road, and we're gonna have to be fast. So, but look at this. I don't have a GoPro mount for my helmet because I never really like wear a helmet like unless I'm competing or something, which has only been twice. And one time I don't even know if I really call that a competition because I placed like second to last. Anyway, so I mean it's fine, you know, it sticks on there, but I mean my visor can't open and it's gonna get hot in there. So we're just gonna go do a pull down the highway and back to the house and see, because I'm tearing up my yard. Like I have to do something. I have nowhere else to ride. I mean, we're putting parts on it in like a couple days, so I don't want to go like to a mud park and get it dirty. So just out of options. Like I said, don't do this at home. Don't do this at home. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we're trying. Make sure no cars are coming, and let's go. Let's do it. Oh my God! Oh my God, guys! We almost hit 70 miles an hour! Oh my God! I've never been that fast on a four-wheeler, and this is the 850. That is insane. That is absolutely insane. Oh my God, my hand is shaking a little bit, just a little bit. I've never been that fast on a four-wheeler. It's insane. And the dealership told me no hard pulls on it until you get it broke in. Sorry, Stacy, had to do it. I mean, I'm literally trying to get it broke in. Like, I literally have no dirt roads around my house because I live close to town. And then, like, my buddy Will's field's grown up, so it's like hard to ride in the grass and stuff. So, oh, this helmet's hot. It's killing me. I think I'm echoing and stuff. But yeah. So I'm just gonna let her cool down. Let the belt, you know, I don't know. And then we're gonna go home. I still gotta go back home. But that was really cool. I'm gonna give it full throttle this time, which we are on 26s. We're gonna have the 32s on in a little while, but that was insane. God, that motor's hot. All right, let's go. All right, guys. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're gonna do a full pull on this road since it's a lot less populated. Oh my God. Holy crap, bro. Oh man. I mean, I know 74 is like not fat, like that fast. That's fast for a four-wheeler. That's pretty fast. And like I said, sorry Stacy, you told me not to do any full pulls, but I did. That is crazy, man. 74. I don't even know if it went to 75. I had to look up, and it's like, it was just a blur. It's like 74 miles an hour on a four-wheeler. I don't even think 1000s can do that without getting tuned. And I can't even imagine having a 1000. Oh my God. Oh my God, that is insane. That is insane. I hope the GoPro got that, or I'm gonna have to do it again. So, all right, guys. I'm gonna put this video out. Like I said, the thing is completely stock. So, I mean, let's look. I mean, she's completely stock. I mean, she's got these little bitty tires, but those tires, well, they're not that hot. I thought they were gonna be hot. I mean, I've got 32 naders. I've got floorboards. I've got an RJWC exhaust. What do I got? Oh, I got some wheels. Holland Motorsports is going to sponsor me some wheels. They're going to sponsor me some System 3s. But I just can't wait to tell y'all. Like, I'm putting this video out before the thing's even built. I was going to do it like Renegade and just have it to where it was fully built when y'all see it. But I can't wait to tell you. I'm so giddy that I finally got a new unit, bro. And I just want to show y'all. And that pool right there, that was worthy of posting. I don't even care. I mean, it is what it is. So, yeah, hope y'all liked the video. Like I said, this thing will be at Boggin on the Plains, not this weekend. I'll probably post this video Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm not sure when y'all will actually see this video. But August 19th, I'll be at Boggin on the Plains in Auburn, Alabama. They're having a small tire only
Super ATV Assassinator tire only bounty hold. And the first place payout's like $900. Second place is $600, and third place is $200. ATV and side-by-side combined, no nitrous, no turbos. So the playing field is going to be leveled. So it's going to be insane. Colt Gene's going to be there. J-Ball's going to be there. I'll be there. Yeah, we're going to have a good time. I'll just give out a breath. That was insane. I've never done 74 miles an hour on a four-wheeler, man. That is insane. Like, geez, when did Diego, I think Diego did like 91 or something on his XMR. I just can't even imagine. That was like, ooh, that's crazy. But anyway, so hope y'all liked the video. Y'all come out to Boggin on the Plains, August 19th, Auburn, Alabama. They're gonna have a DJ too, and the owner's son, Action Jackson, his birthday's gonna be then. And yeah, the new unit will be built. I don't know if snorkels are probably gonna be the only thing that I'm gonna have trouble with right now. I'm not sure how I want to go. I want the horn, but like you can't raise all three without you can only raise two with the snorkel horn, and if you raise three you'll lose power and you'll increase your engine air intake, I think. I'm not sure which one that is. So whichever one it raises and doesn't raise. So but yeah. And I don't really want to do the pipes. I don't want to do the Warrior risers. I don't want to do the triangle ATV. I just don't like the look of it. It just looks like PVC, you know, whatever. And it's nothing towards them. That's just my style. I don't want, you know, I want the horn. I literally bought this because I was going to do the horn on it. So we're still going to figure out the snorkel situation. But it'll have the naders, the floorboards, the exhaust, the wheels, the tires. I said tires twice. Anyways, it'll have all that on it at Boggin on the Plains. Maybe a couple other things still gotta figure out. But hope y'all liked the video. See y'all at Boggin on the Plains.